Hello everybody and welcome to Danny's DIY. So on this channel what we're doing is we're going to show you how tools are used and what they're used for. So in this episode we're looking at the difference between a flathead and a needle nose pliers. So the flathead is very flat and square kind of shape, and it has very fine ribs, thick ribs and a blade there. The needle nose pliers is pointy, has a load of fine grips and a blade in there. So we're just going to pull a couple of nails with them just to show an example of how they're used. So here is one, and you're just going to grab that and pull it out. Grab that and pull it out. Then the flathead pliers, you're going to use the thin grip up the top, or the fine grip, to grab the small nail, and the coarse grip to grab the big nail. Then they can also be used, as I said, the blade can be used to cut things like wire and cable ties. So here is standard house wire, and you just put it into the blade there and squeeze it really tight, and it just snips it, and you can just twist that off. The flathead, you put it in there, squeeze it, and it just snaps off like that. Then you have thinner wire, just single wire, which is also the same. You just put it in, squeeze it, and it snaps off. Put it in, squeeze it, and it snaps off. So that pretty much concludes episode 1 of Danny's DIY. I hope you learned something off of this video, and episode 2 will be coming out this day next week. Thank you very much. Goodbye.